Hello friends, welcome to the study center for you. Today we are going to read essay on Holi in easy words. So let's get started. Holi is a popular festival of India. Holi is also called the festival of colors and happiness. This festival is celebrated with great pomp and gaiety. In the celebration of Holi festival, everyone goes to each other's house, dance, sing and apply colors. On the day of Holi, people prepare different types of dishes in their homes and invite guests. This festival is celebrated on the full moon day of Phalgun month. According to the Hindu calendar, this festival is celebrated for 2 days, under which Holika Dahan takes place on the first day and Holi is celebrated on the second day. There is an ancient history behind celebrating the festival of Holi. In ancient times, there used to be an Asur named Hiranyakashyap. He had an evil sister named Holika. Hiranyakashyap considered himself a god. Hiranyakashyap had a son whose name was Prahlad. He was a great devotee of Lord Vishnu. Hiranyakashyap was the opponent of Lord Vishnu. He greatly prevented Prahlad from worshipping Vishnu, but Prahlad did not listen to him. Angered by this, Hiranyakashyap tried to kill Prahlad. For this, Hiranyakashyap sought help from his sister Holika, because Holika had got the boon of not burning in the fire. After that, Holika sat in the fire with Prahlad. But what could happen to the one who is blessed by Vishnu? And Prahlad remained safe in the fire, while Holika was burned to ashes in that fire. This story tells that good must triumph over evil. Holi is celebrated with gaiety not only by Hindus but by people of all communities. People celebrate the festival of Holi by getting together, hugging and applying colors to each other. Religious and Fagun songs are also sang during this time. On this day, we eat especially mad, gujia, papad, halwa, etc. Holi is celebrated not only in India but in other countries of the world: Nepal, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Mauritius. According to Indian tradition, Holi is a symbol of Indian culture in the true sense, whose colors represent unity in diversity. Many accidents also happen on Holi. On the day of Holi, instead of using gulal, chemicals and glass mixed colors are used, due to which the face gets spoiled. Many people take intoxicants by mixing drugs and cannabis, due to which many people also become victims of accidents. Similarly, on the day of Holi, children fill balloons with water and throw them on the vehicles. On this day, all people forget all their grievances and embrace each other. The colors of Holi unite us all and fill the colors of love and belonging in relationship. You have seen essay on Holi in easy words. Till then, in the next video, take care. Bye. Thank you.